Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your Google password. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it. So just want to tell you something. Unfortunately, there is actually no real way to see your Google password, but there's just a way you have to bypass it. Basically, what you're going to do is going to go on the Play Store. Now, from the Play Store, you're going to click on the on your profile icon on the top left corner. If I just can reach it, top left corner on the top right corner. Now, from the top right corner, you're going to click on Manage Your Google Account. Now, once you're in Manage Your Google Account, it's going to start load. Now, once it loads, you're going to go on to Security. Now, from security, there is actually no definitive way to see for you to change the password. For you actually to see the password, as you can see, if I go down all the way to password and I click on it, it's just going to basically put me in so I can change the password. So if you're logged in your Google account, you're going actually to put your password. If you do not, if you can't remember it, you're going to click on forget password, and then you're going to follow the procedure of you to reset the password. And After that, you're going to click on continue. You actually could verify yourself by fingerprint, and from your fingerprint you're going to change the password if you want. Now once you change it, just make sure this time that you save it into a place where you can remember it, and basically this is the only way you can do. So yeah guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.